Hello, welcome back. I'm James from DroneDrop-Off, and today we're going to be doing a teardown of this DJI Mini 3 Pro. So to start off, we're going to want to remove the gimbal lock and the battery. And now we're going to remove these two covers from the front of the drone. And just place the pieces off to the side. And now that they have been removed, we can start working on removing the bottom cover from the drone by first removing these two screws. And now you can carefully unclip the front half of the bottom shell from the drone. And now you need to detach the retaining tape from the bottom shell so you can continue removing it. Now put the bottom shell off to the side. Now remove the rubber gimbal mountings located on each side of the gimbal. And now that that's done, you need to remove the 4 screws holding the top shell in place. There's 2 located at the front of the drone and 2 located at the rear of the drone. And now you can start carefully removing the top shell from the drone, unclipping it along the way. Now place the top shell off to the side. And now you'll need to remove these 2 screws so you can lift the GPS module and heatsink up together and over to the left. Carefully remove this small bracket. and move the heatsink and GPS module up and over to the left. And now you can disconnect the GPS module and move it away from the drone. Now remove these two screws so you can start removing the forward vision sensor module. Remove the front cover from the drone, and now you can move the vision sensor back so you can access the ribbon cable below that's mounted to the shell of the drone. This part of the ribbon cable is glued into place, so you need to remove the glue so you can carefully remove the ribbon cable without damaging it. Now you can disconnect the gimbal from the main board and remove it from the drone. Now place it off to the side. You now need to start disconnecting all of the connectors from the main board. Now remove this screw so you can start removing the main board. Before removing the main board, you'll have to remove the retaining tape holding it in place. However, it's best to remove the lower vision sensor first so you have better access to this tape. Remove these 4 screws holding it in place. And now disconnect the ribbon cable. And place the vision sensor off to the side. Now remove this bracket by removing the 4 screws holding it in place. Now carefully start peeling the main board retaining tape back. Remove the main board from the drone and place it off to the side. Now you need to loosen the ESC by removing these 3 screws that can be accessed through the battery compartment of the drone. Now you need to loosen the motor wires. Now you should be able to carefully slide the vision sensor ribbon cable through the body of the drone so you can remove the forward vision sensor from the drone. And place it off to the side. Now disconnect the two LED connectors from the ESC. Now you need to detach all the cables from the shell of the drone. Carefully disconnect the ESC ribbon cable connector. And carefully slide the ESC out of the body of the drone to gain access to the motor wire solder pads. Now you need to remove all of the glue from the solder pads of the ESC, and once you've done that you can desolder all of the motor wires. Now put the ESC off to the side and just double check that all the cables have been detached from the body of the drone. Now you're going to remove the rear arms of the drone by removing the 4 screws holding the arm shafts in place and removing the arm shafts afterwards. Carefully remove the arm from the body of the drone and place it off to the side. Now repeat this for the other arm. And now you're going to want to remove the front arms from the drone. Again, to do this, you'll need to remove the 2 screws that hold each arm onto the arm shaft. Now carefully slide the arm off the arm shaft and place it off to the side. And repeat this with the other arm. Now you just need to remove the 2 arm shafts from the drone by removing the 3 screws on each side. And now place the final part off to the side. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below. I hope this video has helped some of you. If you are interested in a drone repair and you're located in the UK, my website is linked in the description below. Thanks for watching.